Hello everyone, our target is to look younger. The target here is to provide the right ingredients that will get rid of those fine lines, wrinkles, sunky eyes, eye bags, to get rid of forehead wrinkles, to make you look younger than your age. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you the ingredients I added in here that will make sure you look younger. Like this will help to reverse your age, no matter the age you are. This is highly effective. All you have to do is just to try it. Give it a trial and you'll be so glad you did. Consider subscribing if you love beauty treatments like this, using natural ingredients to get your skin back to normal, to get a supple skin, to get a plumpy, fresh baby skin. Like this video, also share this video. Let's go. So I added some few ingredients, like things you can find mostly in the kitchen, to make this wonderful treatment that will help to reverse your age. So here we have corn flour, and corn flour is very anti-aging, like it's very firming, helping to firm the skin. It tightens loose skin. If you have saggy jaw, saggy eyes, saggy skin, like general saggy skin, corn flour will help to enable a proper tightening of the skin to get rid of those aging signs. You will look younger. Cornstarch is also very good for those that have greasy, oily skin. Like if you have an imbalanced skin, it will help to balance your skin. If you have a dry skin, adding with other ingredients in there will help to balance everything and make your skin to look so fresh and beautiful. So this is not only for anti-aging, this will also help to keep you looking fresh. You look so beautiful. Your skin will look so clear and glowing. So the next one I added is aloe vera gel. Is very hydrating, helping to get rid of dry skin. Like those that have dry flaky skin, that is actually a sign of aging. Dry flaky skin is what we don't need because it makes your skin look dull. So adding aloe vera gel will help to smoothen, soften the skin and make sure your skin is looking so, so smooth and beautiful. So another thing that aloe vera gel will do for you is to get rid of irritated skin. If you have mild sunburn, it will help to gradually take them away. So another ingredient I added is sugar. Like if you want this treatment to be so hydrating, think of sugar. Thanks to the alpha hydroxyl acid in sugar, any form of sugar, whether it's brown sugar or white sugar, you can use it. So that is very important to moisturize your skin, greatly glow your skin, also gets rid of dead skin cells, gets rid of flaky dry skin, and the result will give you a bright, beautiful skin that glows. Like after exfoliating your skin, you will notice a fresh look. You will notice a smooth skin. You will notice a smooth skin. You will notice that your skin will look so naturally beautiful. So that is why I'm adding sugar, and it's because it's also very hydrating. So the next ingredient is yogurt. Yes, I love yogurt a lot. Not only for consumption, yogurt, like the one that has no sugar, yogurt is just so important for the skin. It contains lactic acid as well as other nutrients that will help to support skin renewal. It helps to renew the skin, getting rid of old skin, like your skin looks so supple, so beautiful. Also, it helps to get rid of signs of aging with consistency. Like this is straight from the fridge. It's really blocked right now. I just added a little into the max and it's going to be so cool on my face. But I don't mind. It's time to tell you the measurements of the ingredients. I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, corn flour or cornstarch, they're all the same. Then I added 1 full tablespoon of sugar. Then I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yes, yeah, yogurt is very nice. Then 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So after adding all these ingredients together, you have to mix together. Just mix and mix and mix until it's very smooth. There are no lumps. You see that the consistency is how you want. You don't want it to be so watery. You don't want it to be so thick. When the remedy is so thick, you will notice that it will be running down your face when you apply it. We don't need it. So you need to make it not so watery. If your treatment is so watery, you have to add more of cornstarch. If your treatment is thick, it's just very easy. yogurt, just a little, few drops, so that it will not be so watery back again. All right, so just mix and wash off all makeups. And this, like, I don't apply makeups on my face, it's just always natural. And the reason why you should remove all makeups, all this, cleanse your face very well before applying this treatment, is to ensure that this remedy penetrates well into your naked skin, into your pores, you know, to make it work better. All right, so it's just time for me to show you how to apply it. When it comes to looking younger, you want to apply a facial mask or a facial scrub to look younger, you have to apply it upwardly, like just like this, upwardly. So this treatment is not only to get rid of signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines, it will as well help to smoothen your face, glow your skin. The texture of your skin will improve greatly. Just go on and apply it all over your body if you want. Increase the quantity of this by increasing other ingredients, so make a large amount. So remember to apply under your eye, but you have to be gentle. Okay, so just go on and apply everywhere. Coat the next layer, layer by layer, until you are okay the way you want. So as you're applying it, you will notice that some will be getting dried, and that is because of the cornstarch. You know, cornstarch is very firming, like I said earlier. As you apply it, you notice that your face will look so hard, as if, you know, it will be so strong, like very firm, and that is to show you that this is time to wash it out. But just apply and apply. So apply on your neck as well, for those that have mild wrinkles or severe wrinkles on their neck. You know, go on and apply it on your hand, like on your feet and your hand, to get rid of hand wrinkles and feet wrinkles. So this is just a very perfect way to slow down aging process. Look beautiful with no makeup, get a fresh smooth skin, get a supple hydrated skin. People will mistake you for 35 years old, even if you are 72, even if you are 75, even if you are 80. Like, this is highly effective. So if you ask, can this replace skincare products? No, this cannot replace your skincare product. This is just like a repair, like this is just like a foundation before your skincare products can work well. Some people, they don't take care of their skin this way, and they end up applying skincare products. It may not work. So just use this natural way first before applying your skincare products, and you thank me later. So I'm going to leave this treatment for 15-20 minutes, and I'll wash it out. I'll be right back. So after applying this treatment and rinse it out, you notice that your skin will look so fresh, your skin will look so smooth, and that is because of sugar in it and the yogurt in it. So your skin will also feel so, you will just love the texture of your skin instantly, and that is immediate. After this treatment, with consistency, with continuous use, you will notice that your skin will look so younger. Your skin will be firming, like you'll be noticing it as you use. This is natural, so you don't expect it to be immediate. But when it comes to having a fresh skin, a smooth skin, you surely notice it from the first use. So just use this treatment 3 times weekly. Very safe to use 3 times weekly. You can also use it every other day, like every 2 days. It's just up to you. So try this treatment and you love the result. We also have a very good product, natural products that we sell. Okay, you can see it. Powerful anti-aging treatments, powerful anti-aging products that will help your skin from face to toe, like complete set that will help to nourish and repair you, get rid of signs of aging. You will love the new you. Okay, so this is just highly effective. Just contact through that WhatsApp and will serve you better. So go on and try this treatment on your skin as a foundation before other skincare products can work well on your skin. Recommend this video to people that you feel that they need this, because they will thank you. Yeah, they will thank you so much. Alright, so you can see this video, check it out. It's very effective as well. You need to get all these ingredients at home. Just use them. Thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. So you can apply a moisturizer after this treatment to prevent dryness of your skin. All right.